Alright guys, I'm getting set up here. Got a big job for a golf course. Taking down several pine trees that are declining, not doing well. Got Taylor back there, he's getting started taking stuff down. But we're set up here and got our Bandit chipper set up, and we're set up to chip into the back of our P&J dump trailer here. We've added sides to it for this job. Wanted to do this rather than bring in our huge chip truck on the golf course. Figured that would cause less damage. We've also got these mats that we got from A&A Enterprises. We've got these down to help keep things from sinking in while we're sitting. We're not leaving ruts when we're driving, but you know, anybody knows that leaving a vehicle sit for a while can definitely sink in. So got the Vermeer over there to move stuff around, but really got a nice little community golf course out here, and we're just working on getting out some trees that they don't like so they can plant some ones that they will like. You know where you messed up?
Gone too far without getting the hinge in there first. Sound about right?
Without getting a wedge in there, yeah. You said without getting a hinge in there. You said without getting a hinge in there. Yeah, when you get into your cut, you just stick a wedge in the back of it. That way, if it does want to sit back, you've already got a wedge in there.